To be yourself in a world that is constantly trying to make you something else is the greatest accomplishment. For every minute you are angry, you lose 60 seconds of happiness. Finish each day and be done with it. You have done what you could. Some blunders and absurdities no doubt crept in. Forget them as soon as you can. Tomorrow is a new day. You shall begin it serenely, and with too high a spirit to be encumbered with your old nonsense. What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us. Always do what you are afraid to do. Do not go where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. I cannot remember the books I've read, any more than the meals I have eaten. Even so, they have made me. Live in the sunshine, swim the sea, drink the wild air. The purpose of life is not to be happy. It is to be useful, to be honorable, to be compassionate, to have it make some difference that you have lived and lived well. What you do speaks so loudly that I cannot hear what you say. When it is dark enough, you can see the stars. Is it so bad, then, to be misunderstood? Pythagoras was misunderstood, and Socrates and Jesus, and Luther, and Copernicus, and Galileo, and Newton, and every pure and wise spirit that ever took flesh. To be great is to be misunderstood. All I have seen teaches me to trust the Creator for all I have not seen. It is not the length of life, but the depth. The only person you are destined to become is the person you decide to be. Dare to live the life you have dreamed for yourself. Go forward and make your dreams come true. Write it on your heart that every day is the best day in the year. Once you make a decision, the universe conspires to make it happen. Life is a journey, not a destination. If we encounter a man of rare intellect, we should ask him what books he reads. Be not the slave of your own past. Plunge into the sublime seas, dive deep, and swim far, so you shall come back with new self-respect, with new power, and with an advanced experience that shall explain and overlook the old. You cannot do a kindness too soon, for you never know how soon it will be too late. The only way to have a friend is to be one. People do not seem to realize that their opinion of the world is also a confession of their character. Let me never fall into the vulgar mistake of dreaming that I am persecuted whenever I am contradicted. The creation of 1,000 forests is in one acorn. Nothing is at last sacred but the integrity of your own mind. The mind, once stretched by a new idea, never returns to its original dimensions. Which quote did you like the most? Share your opinion in the comments and continue enriching your mind.